Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss 1, 2, 3, 4 problems in exercise 9.3 in tangents and secants to a circle of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, let us going to discuss. Yes. See the first question in exercise 9.3. A chord of circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. A chord of circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Do you know the meaning of minor segment and major segment? Yes, exactly. So every chord of a circle divides the circle into two segments. Right? So that will be one minor segment, another one is major segment. If the segments are equal, that will be semicircle. We know very well about that. Yes. First, according to the problem, draw the diagram. Yes, this is the circle. Suppose O is the center of the circle. Next, the radius of the circle is 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. It subtends an angle of 90 degrees, right? Subtends an angle of 90 degrees. Then this will be minor segment. Suppose AB is the chord. AB is the chord. Divide the whole circle into two segments. So shaded part is one of the segment and unshaded part is another segment, right? So shaded part is minor segment, unshaded part is major segment, right? So let us going to find area of minor segment and major segment. Right, first minor segment let us going to find. So how can you find the area of the minor segment? Yes, look here, this is AOB is the sector or not? Yes, exactly, AOB is the sector. With the area of the sector, if you subtract area of the triangle, then we can easily get area of the minor segment, right? Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. If you do, then we will get area of the minor segment, right? Yes, right on first. Solution. So given radius of the circle, radius of the circle is equal to 10 centimeters. Next, next angle, which means angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Right? Now first area of the sector find out. Area of the sector AOB, right? AOB is equal to what is the formula? Yes, exactly, x by 360 into pi r square. So this is x means how much he has given? Yes, 90 degrees has given. X is equal to by 360 into pi is equal to 3.14 has given, right? So 3.14 into radius is 10 into 10, right? 90 how many times? 4 times. 94 is 360. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, again 2 5s are 10, right? 5 5s are 25, 25 into 314, 25 4s are 100, 10 will be there, 25 1s are 25 plus 10 is 35, again 3 will be there, 25 3s are 75, 75 plus 3 78. Here after the point there will be 2 digits now. So before 2 digits we have to keep the point. So that is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. Why? Because area of the sector, area given na? So this is centimeter square. Understood? Next, in the same way, area of the triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB. What is that? Half BH only na? Half BH, that is half into base is 10 and height is 10. Isn't it? So 2 5s are 10. This will be 50 centimeter square. So this is 50 centimeter square. Area of the triangle. So area of the minor segment is equal to area of the sector AOB minus area of the triangle AOB. So that is equal to area of the sector, how much? 78.5 centimeter square minus this is 50 centimeter square. So that is equal to 78.5 minus 50 is exactly 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor segment. So again we have to find area of the major segment also. Area of the major segment means how can you find? Yes, area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of the major segment we have to find now. So that is equal to area of the circle minus area of the minor segment we have to do, right? Yes. Area of the major segment is equal to, what is the formula? Area of the circle minus area of the minor segment, right? Area of the circle, what is the formula? Yes, pi r square minus area of the minor segment, already we got 28.5. So pi r square means 3.14 into radius 10 into 10 minus 28.5. So this is 3.14 into 10 into 10. Here there are 2 digits na, so the point will exist after 2 digits. So 314 minus 28.5, that is equal to how much? 314 28.5. Subtract here 0 5, this will be 3 minus, which means 13 minus 8 is 5. Here 0 8, here 2 na, 285.5 centimeter square. Understood clearly? So area of the minor segment is 28.5 centimeter square. Area of the major segment is 285.5 centimeter square. Understood? If you add these both, area of the circle will you get? Area of the circle you will get. Understood clearly? Yes. Okay, next question. A chord of circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment of the circle. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.732. Right? A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Right? So according to the problem, first draw the diagram. Yes, this is the circle of center O. Suppose AB is a chord. Divide the circle into two segments. This is a minor segment. This is the minor segment and this is the major segment. Next, angle at the center. Angle subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Right? This is center of the circle is O. Then what we have to find? What is the area of the minor segment? Area of the minor segment we have to find. Next, what has given? Circle 12 centimeters. Radius has given 12 centimeters of radius has given. Right? Yes. Now write out given. What has given? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Next, radius. Radius OA is equal to OB is equal to how much? 12 centimeters has given. Next, angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. Angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. Next, draw a perpendicular on AB. Draw a perpendicular on AB like this will be, so P is the OP is the perpendicular on AB which divides AB into two equal parts, and OP bisects AB. AP is equal to PB. OP bisects AB and also bisect 120 degrees also. Then angle AOP is equal to, this will be 60 degrees only. This will be 60 degrees, right? So take in triangle AOP, right? Here draw a perpendicular on AB, perpendicular OP on AB. OP bisects angle AOP, OP bisects angle AOP. AOB na? Yes, this is B, right? And also OP bisects AB, isn't it? Yes. Look here in triangle, and that is also write down. OP bisects AB, right? So consider a triangle, in triangle OPA, Actually, what is the area of the, how can you find the area of the minor segment? Yes, area of the sector minus area of the triangle, right? Area of the sector, easily we can find x by 360 into pi r square, means x also given 120 degrees, radius also given. Next, minus area of the triangle we have to do now. Yes, how can you find the area of the triangle? We don't know base and height, right? First find the base and height, right? First in triangle OPA, apply trigonometry on this, right? So take cos 60 degrees. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse now. So this is OP is the adjacent side and OA is the hypotenuse, right? Cos 60 degrees is equal to, adjacent side means OP by hypotenuse OA, OP by OA. Yes, what is the value of cos 60? Yes, exactly 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to OP how much? We don't know. OP by OA. OA how much? Yes, 12. 12 transferred to this side. That implies OP is equal to 12 by 2, 6 centimeters. OP is equal to 6 centimeters. Next, in the same triangle, find AP. So AP means, what will you apply? Sin theta, sin 60. Yes, sin 60 degrees is equal to, yes, opposite side means AP hypotenuse OA. Sin 60 is, yes, exactly root 3 by 2 is equal to AP. AP we don't know, AP by OA is 12. So that implies AP is equal to 12 into root 3 by 2. Here 2 6 times get cancelled na. AP is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. So here AB, we have to find AB only na. Base is AB. In triangle AOP, base is AB. That's why AB is twice of AB, right? AB is equal to 2 into AP. So that is equal to 2 into 6 root 3, 12 root 3 centimeters. AB is equal to 12 root 3 centimeters. Now find. Understood clearly? Yes. Now area of the triangle AOP. AOB na? Yes, AOB is equal to half into base AB into height OP. So that is half into AB how much? AB how much did you get? Yes, 12 root 3. 12 root 3 into OP 6 no? Yes. 2 how many times? 2 3s are 3 into 12 is 36 into root 3. 36 into root 3 means 1.732. 1.732. So multiply 1.732 into 36. 6 2s are 12, 1 6 3s are 18, 19, 1 6 17s are 1 or 2 plus 1 103. Next 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 17s are 51. So 2 5 is 3 2 6, 62.352 centimeter square. Why? Because of here after the point 3 digits are there, no? Yes, apply here also. Right. Next, area of the sector. Area of the sector AOB. This is also AOB is equal to x by 360 into pi r square. So x by 360, x means 120 by 360 into here 3.14 into radius 12 into 12. Yes, 123 is 363 4s are, which means 48 into 3.14. So 3.14 into 48 do 4 8 4s are 32, 3 8 1s are 8, 11 1 8 3s are 24 25. Next 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 5 4 3s are 12, 2 7 0 5 1. So this is equal to 150.72 centimeter square. This is 3.14 na. After the point 2 digits are there, so before 2 digits we have to keep the point. Understood? Therefore area of the minor segment is equal to, so we have to write here area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So here there is no place, directly answers I am writing. Yes, this is area of the sector is 150.72 minus area of the triangle is 62.352. So subtract it. 150.72 minus 62.352. So 0 minus 2, this will be 8, it is 11. Yes, 11 minus 5 is 6. Here this will be 6. 6 minus 3 is 3 point. So this is 8, 14, 8. So that is equal to 88.368 centimeter square. So this is the area of the minor segment. Understood clearly? So area of the minor segment, this is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Understood clearly? Is there any doubt? Yes. Next, third question. A car has 2 wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. See, a car has 2 wipers. See, a car. So this is just think it of, this is the front of the car. So 2 wipers. So like this, it is cleaning like this. 2 wipers cleaning like this, right? It is its length is 25 centimeters. Its length is 25 centimeters. Next, sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees each. Right. Then what we have to find? Find the total area. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Right? That is fine. Yes. Look here. The length of the blade is equal to how much? 25 centimeters. Next, the blade making an angle of 115 degrees each blade making an angle of 115 degrees, right? Next, total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades of the blades is equal to, actually those are 2 blades na, so 2 into area of the sector we have to find. So this is here onwards area of the sector only or not? Yes, right? So 2 into x by 360 into pi r square, right? Yes, that is good. 2 into x is 115 degrees by 360 degrees into pi. How much we have to take? Has given 22 by 7 into radius 25 into 25, right? Yes, 2 how many times? 2 180 times get cancelled. Next 5 23s are. Next 5 how many times? Yes, 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are. Okay, 180. Next 2 again, 2 18s are, 2 11s are. So finally that is equal to how much? 23 into 11 into 25 into 25 by 18 into 7, 18 into 7, 18 into 18 7 is 126. If you simplify this one, you will get 1254.96 centimeter square, nearly 1255, right? Understood clearly or not? Yes. Next, fourth question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeters and semicircles are drawn with each side of a square as diameter. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Right? See, find the area of the shaded region in the figure. Area of the shaded region means this one. In the figure where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeters. Semicircles drawn with each side of a square as diameter. See, these are the semicircles. These are all the 4 semicircles which are drawn with each side of square as diameter. This will be taken as diameter, right? Here this is diameter means radius is equal to half of the diameter. That will be 5 centimeters now. Yes, let us find now. Yes, how will you find this one? Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region we want to find no. So that's why first we have to find the area of the unshaded region. The area of the unshaded region. If you find the area of the unshaded region, so subtract the unshaded region with the area of the square, then you will get area of the shaded region. First, what will you do? So mark these unshaded portions as 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So then find all the portions of unshaded regions, right? Yes, write down. First, mark the unshaded regions as 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Yes. First, area of the unshaded regions or portions 1 and 3, let us find 1 and 3. Here 1 and 3 means area of the square minus, see, 2 into area of the semicircle, isn't it? Area of the square minus, this is one of the semicircle and this is another semicircle, no? If you subtract area of the square minus area of 2 into area of the semicircles, then you can get area of unshaded portions 1 and 3, isn't it? Yes. And 1 and 3 is equal to area of the square minus 2 into area of the semicircles. Right? Area of the square is formula. Yes, a square minus 2 into area of the semicircle. Yes, 2 into area of the semicircle is s of pi r square. Isn't it? Here a is how much? A side is 10 centimeters, which means 10 square minus 2 into half into pi is equal to how much he has given? Use 3.14 into r. Radius how much? This is the side as diameter now we have to take according to the problem. Next, radius is equal to half of diameter, that is, yes, 5 centimeters. So 5 square means 5 into 5. right? 10 square is 100 minus 2 get cancelled. Yes, 5 5 is 25. 25 into 3.14. 25 4s yes, 100. 10 will be there. 25 1s are 25 plus 10, 35. 3 is there. 25 3s are 75, 78. So before 2 digits now we have to keep point. Yes, 78.50. So that is equal to 100 minus 78.50 is, yes, exactly 21.5. So what is this? Area of the shaded ray portions are regions 1 and 3. So here all the regions, all the unshaded portions are equal or not? Yes, exactly equal. So 1 and 3, how much you get? Yes, you got 21.5 now. So in the same way 2 and 4 also you will get exactly 21.5, right? Yes. Similarly, the area of 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is also equal to 21.5 centimeters, right? Therefore, the area of unshaded region is equal to how much? Yes, 21.5 plus 21.5, that is equal to 43 centimeters. We got 43 centimeters. Now then you can find easily area of the shaded portion. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus area of the unshaded region. Yes, unshaded region. So area of the square is equal to, yes, 10 into 10 minus, this is unshaded region. Yes, exactly 43 centimeters we got now. So 100 minus 43, this is equal to 100 minus 43 is, yes, 57 centimeters square here, right? Area of the shaded region is equal to 57 centimeters square. Here also we have to keep area of the unshaded region, here also square and here also square. Understood? This is also square only. Whenever we find the area, then it will comes units of squares, right? Unit square we will get. Understood clearly? Yes. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.